Hey everyone, my name is Faizan Khan, and in this video we will learn how to build this awesome animated login page. So this is the code that creates a beautiful animated login screen using Python. It shows a background image, falling leaves animation, a walking girl animation, and a login form in the center, right? So we are using CustomTkinter, Tkinter canvas, and pillow for images. Now let's understand the code step by step in very simple words. Here we have just imported all the required libraries. So first one is this custom Tkinter. It is used to create modern looking user interface. Then we have imported this canvas which helps us draw images and animations. Then we are using this PIL, which is pillow, and this is used to open, resize, and flip images. Okay, and then we have used this random module. It is used to give random position and speed to falling leaves. Then this line sets the app theme to light mode. We can change it to dark as well. Then these are window size constants, width and height. These are the width and the height of the window. Then we are creating global variables for animation. This leaves list will store all falling leaves data. This girl's dictionary will store girl image position and state. Then this is the code where we are creating the main window. This code creates the main app window. Then we set the window title. Then we disable resizing, and then we are returning the window object. After that we are loading images. So inside this function, background image is loaded, trees images is loaded, girl image is resized, multiple leaf images are loaded. So this function helps keeping all image loading in one place, and you can see all the images are here. After that we are creating the canvas here. Canvas is where background, leaves and girl animation will be drawn. Canvas fills the entire window. Okay. Then we are drawing background and trees. This function draws background image. It draws trees on top of background. Both images are placed at top left corner. Then we are creating this add leaves function for adding falling leaves. It creates 12 leaves. Each leaf gets random X position, random Y position, random falling speed, random left right movement. Then leaf data is stored in leaves list. Okay. Then we are animating the leaves using this function. It moves each leaf downwards. It adds sideways motion for natural effect. If a leaf goes out of screen, it resets to the top. Then this canvas dot after keeps the animation running again and again. Then we have this place girl function. This helps in placing the girl image. Girl starts from outside the right side. Her position and image details are saved in girl dictionary. Okay. Then we are animating the girl walking. So the girl moves from right to left. When she goes out, the image flips. Then she walks back from left to right. Image flipping is done using pillow library. This function runs continuously using canvas.after. Then we are creating the login UI, login user interface. So this creates the login form, a centered frame, welcome text, user input, password input, then this login button. So when login button is clicked, username and password are simply printed on the console. Then we have this main function. This is where everything starts. It will create window, then it will load images, then it will create the canvas, it will draw background, then we add leaves, animate leaves, then we place girl, then we animate girl, and then we create the login user interface, and then we start the app loop. And this is the program entry point. This ensures the program runs only when the file is executed directly. Okay. So in simple words, this program creates an animated autumn style login screen. It uses Canvas for animations. It uses CustomTkinter for modern UI. Falling leaves and walking girl make the UI look alive. It is a perfect example of GUI plus animation in Python. Okay. So that's it for this video. The source code is in the description. Thank you for watching.